We're here in Rincon, Puerto Rico at the Lazy Parrot. Amazing little place. Stayed here about 14 years ago with the wife and we loved it. Let's go check it out. Ooh, they got a rooftop. Anything cool up there? Let's see. No, nothing cool. Oh, it's a room. Another room. All right. Oh, there's the ocean back there. Let's go see what we can find. We'll explore. Lazy Parrot. There he goes. That's all made of tile. Look at that mosaic. It's all tile. Very nice. So, well, I don't remember it because it's been like 14 years, so I don't remember exactly what. Oh, baño. Odie the elephant. Who's Odie? I think we stayed in one of the rooms over there somewhere on the 3rd floor, but yeah, that's a Lazy Parrot. Pretty much in the jungle. And that's what this Lazy Parrot is. It's right here in the jungle of Rincon. Yeah. We'll go around. Must be cool here at night. Kids to hang out. And there's the little elephant. Huh. Lazy? Nah. Well, look at this. It's another Airbnb. In-ground pool. Very nice. I'd rather stay here than Holiday Inn or one of those franchise places. Very nice vibe. Very nice ambient vibe, yeah. See. Oh yeah. Very cool place. They even have a hiking trail somewhere down. Ooh, jacuzzi. Very cool.